Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Ngayon po ay May 15, 2023, Lunes. Welcome po sa Monday edition ng The Stock Market Today. Ang ating special news ay tungkol po sa apat na stocks, no? JGS, JFC, LTG, at MEG. Ako po si Benji Chidoro, isang retired bank officer. Nag-start mag-invest sa Philippine stock market noong 2007. Araw-araw ko pong binabalita ang pinaka-latest news tungkol sa inyong paborito at pinaka-aktibong stock sa Philippine market. Inimbitahan ko po kayo mag-subscribe sa aking channel kung gusto niyo po ng content. Kung meron po kayong stocks na gustong ipa-review, i-comment niyo lang po sa comment box at aking pa-prioritize. Hindi po ako financial advisor. Ang mga sinasabi ko po dito ay hindi po financial advice. Huwag kayong alis dahil babahagi ko sa inyo ating financial headlines at ang resulta ng trading sa ating Philippine Stock Exchange ngayong araw, May 15, 2023, dito lamang po sa The Stock Market Today. Ang ating headlines ay matatagpuan po sa Business World. BSP to hold key rates at 6.25%, sabi po ng isang survey. Sa corporate news naman po, Meralco expects energy sales to increase by 4%. Philippine Airlines negotiating to sell 4 Bombardier planes. And Mandrana's ruling seen to boost PPP. Aboitiz AI unit UBEX to offer credit scores for small businesses. Pero ang ating main news ay dito po sa special report ni BDO Securities. Ang una po ay sa JG Summit Holdings na kalalabas lang po ng kanilang FS. Maintain neutral. Petrochem remains challenged. Action valuation target price lowered to 54. So 1 peso po ang baba from the previous 55. F&B, ito po yung food and beverage, real estate, and airline units sustain recovery momentum. Petrochem narrows losses, so loss pa rin po ang Petrochem, but outlook still cautious. So ang next po natin ay ang Jollibee Foods. Keep buy with a higher target price, solid revenues and expanding margins driving earnings. First quarter earnings is ahead of forecast. Domestic-driven growth, international gaining momentum. Maintained by target price raised to 280 pesos from 270. Yan po ang Jollibee. Next, we have LTG. Resilient cash generation supportive of dividends. So action valuation maintained by target price raised to 11.90. So nag-increase po siya to 11.90 from 11.60 or 30 centavos yung kanyang increase. Tobacco profits dip due to unfavorable sales mix. Ito yung ano ba yung mga yosi nyo dito? Mga subscribers, kung kayo po yung nag-yosi, ay tinatangkilik nyo po si LTG. Ako'y tinigil ko na po yan many years ago. Okay, shipment volumes fell due to trade inventory movements coupled with continued consumer downtrading to PMFTC's lower-tiered brands. Ito po yung Chesterfield, which now comprise 19% of sales. You also note that ito siguro yung Philip Morris FTC market share fell 59.8% in the first quarter, implying a shift to cheaper price brand of its main competitor, JTI. Management said they are working on having different segments to capture market shares, including the launch of cheaper variants. So ito po yung Marlboro Crafted 7 pesos per stick. Ang mahal na rin pala nito, no? Launched October 2022 that continue to show promise Volumes are also expected to gradually stabilize once inflation peaks in our view. So 7 pesos per stick na pala itong Marlboro. Mahal, no? P&B profits boosted by strong recurring income and ROPA sale. Distilled spirit and beverage post lower earnings. So ito po yung contributions ni Tanduay, which is 22% lower. Asia Brewery is 6% lower. And yun po. So target price is 11.90 and the implied upside based on 10.32 closing price last Friday is 15.3. Then let's take a look at Mega World. On track to hit full year targets. First quarter 23 attributable net income up 33%. Reservation sales on track to hit target, outlook remains rosy. Commercial leasing growth intact but occupancy trends were mixed. Keep by with a target price unchanged to 350. And with the closing price last Friday of 199, there is a 75.9% upside. So yun po ang ating main news. Now let's take a look at the index. 445 na pala Metro Pacific, pero hindi po yan ang ating main news, ano? So tingnan po natin ang ating index. It's down 55 points. Nasa 6523.15. And I drew this line here. Actually, ginaya ko na lang po ito, no? From the chart of BDO Securities. Ito po yung chart niya. Yan. Yan po yung kanyang chart. And the resistance area appears at the 65 or 6750 area. Ito po yun. Itong drawing ko po yan. And there is an uptrend, no? But right now, there is a red engulfing candlestick. The PSE last week was not able to sustain its upward momentum after hitting our second target. So the second target is 6750. The market quickly reversed and ended the week slower than the previous week. As such, we expect the index to remain range bound. And do not anticipate anything to change until such time the PSEI either breaks 6750, yan po yung pinaka-resistance niya, or below 6400, ito po yung pinaka-support niya. Only then we will see whether a sustainable bull market is in the horizon or the current bear market is going to persist. So yan po. So ang pinaka-resistance niya is sa 6750 area, but on the short term, it is bullish, no? Kasi from this March 15 up to May 16, that's 2 months na, no? And it has been slowly creeping upwards. So ang pinaka-support niya nasa 6500 eh. And the resistance nasa 6748 or 6750. Ngayon, ang sinasabi po ng analyst ni BDO Sec, kailangan ma-breach po niya yung 6750 para masabing nasa bull market po siya. Okay. And then, market activity, 106 companies declined, 86 advanced, 42 remained unchanged. All share index is down 0.57%. Sectoral indices are all down except mining na nag-gain ng 0.45. Ang pagbaba ay pinangunahan po ng properties at 1.17%. Pero the news actually here is that mag-hold po yung rates eh. So, magkakaroon ng pause. Ang ibig sabihin po ng pause actually is that hindi magtataas ng interest rate si BSP. Ayan, no? BSP to hold key rate at 6.25%. Usually po, nagkakatotoo po ito eh. Yung mga prediction ng mga analyst. Yan po. So, balik tayo sa here. The most active stock is Bloom, down 1.07, followed by AC, SMPH, BDO, and Ali. Pero the big news here is MWIDE, up 23.13%. At yun po ang titingnan natin, followed by JGS, JFC, LTG, at MEG, yung nag-figure out sa ating special report kanina. Naghahanap po ako ng study ng MWIDE, but wala pa pong lumalabas, ano? Ang pinaka-latest po is this. There is a maintained buy with a target price of 590, but this will have to change dahil November 2022 pa po ito. Ngayon, titingnan po natin ang MWIDE dito kung bakit siya, yan no, green candlestick po siya, breakout po ito because there is volume and the gain was 23.13%. Ang pinaka resistance or support niya ay nasa 330 na na-break po niya, and notice there is a gap down here na napunuan na po, na-fill up na po yan. Kasi merong gap up dito na napunuan dito eh. Ito yung pagpuno niya. Yung gap down here was already filled by this engulfing green breakout candlestick. Yan po. So, ang next resistance po, nandito po sa 420. 419, 420 po ang next resistance level. Overbought na po ang stock. Now, nagbigay po siya ng dividendo, and I think this is what's causing the breakout, ano? Nagbigay siya ng 50 or 15.62 special dividends. Kasi kung magbigay po si MWIDE, March, nagbigay siya, once a year lang po magbigay eh. Or bihirang magbigay ng dividendo. Yan, nagbigay po siya ng March, nagbigay siya ng special dividend payable June 16. Yan po. Pero hindi po yan nagbibigay ng dividendo, but notice also na pagka ang stock ay oversold, aakyat po yan, no? Or pagka ang stock ay overbought, ay bababa po yan. Ito po yung example ng overbought. Ito po yung example ng oversold. Yan. So, this is one stock which acts based on the RSI. So, maganda pong, kung trader po kayo, ay pwede nyo pong gawing basis ng pagbili o pagbenta ang RSI ni MWIDE. Yan po. So, next we have JGS. JGS. Neutral kasi si JGS eh. Neutral lang siya. Target price is 54. Yan, down siya, no? Pero nagbigay siya ng dividendo 40 centavos, and the earnings is not very good, no? First quarter earnings is good, 349%. Pero the research is maintain neutral lang siya. So earnings noong fourth quarter, magandang earnings niya. 2021 earnings is not very good. 2022 earnings is 436%. Pero technically, sideways lang po siya. So support is here. Nasa 47.96. Resistance, nandito siya eh. 52.80. Yan po pinaka-resistance level ni JGS. JFC. Si JFC, hindi naman malaki magbigay ng cash dividend to eh. Pero nagbibigay. So last time, noong December, nagbigay siya ng 1 peso 23 centavos. And then, come May 22, 1.07. But the earnings report kasi, the first quarter is almost flat eh. 3.2 negative, no? So, mas mababa siya ng mga 3% lower than the previous first quarter 22. Pero 33% ang 2022 earnings niya. Yan po si JFC. And yun po, no? Support is here. Nasa 214. Resistance is here. Nasa 229 ang pinaka-resistance po niya. LTG, naku, red engulfing or baka breakdown po ito. Pero maganda ang LTG kasi ayan, maintain buy, earnings niya ay 9.08%. fair, no? Ito 47%. Yan. So red engulfing, mukhang breakdown po ito. Pero ang pinaka support niya nandito eh. Nasa 988 and resistance is here. So maaring market sentiment lang ito. No, maari, no? Kasi nag-overbought na po yung stock. Yan. So nasa 999 siya uli. And compared to this, nasa 1032 na siya, 1050 na siya dito. Then finally, si Meg. Tingnan natin si Meg. Naku, bearish po si Meg. Earnings report. Tingnan natin. Good naman ang earnings report niya. 29.97 sa first quarter. And almost flat yung earnings niya noong 2022. Pero meron. Ayan, 29.97%. Good naman itong si Meg. And target price remains at 350. Ngayon, ang support niya, bearish po siya. 195. And then, the resistance is here at 206. Pero maganda naman po ang kanyang FS. Ano? Nasa 199 po ngayon, ended flat si Meg. So, yan po ang ating report sa stock market, ika-15 ng Mayo. Ito po si Benji Chodoro. Nagpapaalala, an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Maraming salamat sa inyong pagsubaybay. Hanggang sa muli. Stay safe. God bless. Bye for now.